Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Using Binance Lite but want more advanced features? Today I am going to show you how to switch from Binance Lite to Pro. Let's get started. First of all, open your Binance app and log into your account. Now tap your profile icon in the top left corner to open the settings menu. Scroll down and find the Binance Lite toggle. Tap it to turn off light mode. Your app will refresh, and now you have access to advanced trading features, charts, and tools. Enjoy spot trading, futures, and more with Binance Pro. Switch back anytime by re-enabling light mode. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.